Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Little unboxing video for you today. Excuse the squeaky throat. Just have a bit of lime juice. Right, let's get the boring stuff out of the way first. A couple of packs of the mini dimensionals. It's so cute, these are. Now then, let's get this out. I've only been buying the Stamping Seal Plus of late, but I figured I've still got this, so I may as well use it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how I refill. So a little tear off bit, and then you just pop it open like so. There's our, and this is recyclable, which is excellent. I mean, it would be better if it wasn't, you know, plastic at all, but so that just pops open, and then we put our stamping seal on these little spindles like that, and snap it closed, and there we have it. Put your lid back on and it's ready for use. Lovely. I've had a glut of white cardstock, but I did sell some of it to help a friend out. So I've just got a couple packs of thick basic white because I was out of it. And yeah, so shall we go to the pretties now? Let's go to the pretties. Put those over there. Now then, I bought these iridescent rhinestones basic jewels. Let me put them up to the camera. Yeah. Aren't they pretty? Lovely, aren't they? I bought a bundle, the Dainty Delight bundle, and we have lots of fun colouring this in. Red rubber, lovely, and it comes with a set of dies. So many dies. How many dies are in this? 16, I think. 16 dies. So I'm guessing it cuts out most of these, if not all of them. And there's also some extra flowers, some nice leaves. They're pretty, aren't they? I love those. So that was the bundle. Because I spent over £90 and it's celebration, I got a couple of freebies. So I had to get these. I wasn't sure. Thanks a bunch. What are they? They photopolymer. So you can, yeah, photopolymer. But I've seen so many lovely projects with it, using the carrots for different things and what have you. I thought, yeah, why not? So that was one of the freebies, and the other one, of course, had to be the Dainty. Is it Dainty Flowers? Dainty Flowers 12x12 designer series paper. So let me get that out, because it won't be going back in there, because it'll be going in to its own proper wallet. So that's sheet 1 and the reverse side. Okay, sheet 2. I mean, you can imagine making cards with that, can't you? I mean, that's like a whole front. And the reverse side. That'd be nice for mail cards, I think. Yeah. definite card fronts here. How wide are they across? Are they 4 inches? Let me have a look. Oops. Just dropped my wooden ruler. So 4 inches comes to be in the middle. So yes, 6 card fronts straight away there. And the reverse side. Another kind of watercolory effect thing. Nice for backgrounds. This could be another mail card, this one. And we look at that, and I'll let you know the colours, the coordinating colours. Oh, I love this. Oh, I do love this. And a nice mail pattern on the other side. Coming to the last two sheets. I wonder if the dies cut any of these flowers out. I might have to have a look. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? And the coordinating colours are Blushing Bride, Crushed Curry, Fresh Freesia, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Rich Raspberry, and Starry Sky. So there we go. Not a huge order, because I don't have a lot of money. But I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. It's all free. Whatever you're doing today, hope you have a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye.